Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Google Chrome on your Windows device. So if you're running Windows 11, the natively installed browser is more than likely going to be Microsoft Edge. But in this video I'm going to show you how you can also use other browsers to download Google Chrome using the Windows Store or the Microsoft Store. So if you don't already have it open, simply open your start menu, type install, and open this icon here that says Microsoft Store. To do, you can type in something like Firefox or Brave, and you should have an alternative to the already installed Microsoft Edge. I'm going to try using the Brave browser to make things easier for myself. Again, if you're using a freshly installed PC, what's already going to be available is Microsoft Edge. So feel free to use that one instead. But let's just say for the sake of example, you'd like to use a different browser. So let's give it a minute or two to install. Shouldn't take much longer now. Almost done. And it installs now. If I type in Brave, I should have a browser app. Here, all I'm going to do is click on the URL bar and search Google Chrome. The first result should be the one you're looking for, and click on download Google Chrome. So what this does is it downloads the installer. I'm just going to properly name it, and you can run the app or the installer that you just downloaded. So now let's give it a few minutes to run. All I did was click on the file that I downloaded. As you can see here, I'm already running Google Chrome, although previous version. So I'm also going to be updating it. There we go. Oops. There you go. You can see it says at the top Chrome was updated. If it's your first time installing Google Chrome, the process might take a little longer because it has to download more files versus just updating your version. But all in all, it shouldn't take you more than maybe 5 or 10 minutes, depending on your internet speed. So that's it. Pretty quick, pretty easy. I hope you're able to learn something new. And as always, thank you for watching.